Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Uzoleka umphethe kuLazarus, guys. Uzoleka umphethe nje uyampheka nje. She's like hard and working. Yazini kuphuma lo mnye umhlobo English le nami ngeke understand kuzoleka kodwa she's like, you know what? I'm have to present this thing and impress this man. ULazarus uthi akayifuni nakancane kodwa uZoleka is not like giving up. UZoleka nje someone, he's a fighter. She's been fighting her whole life for each and everything that she has. So this one, trying to convince ULazarus, because you know what, we can do this. It's child's play. Bakamabandla, they have like a sit down, bona bodwana, trying to have a conversation before imithi yabo noThumeka and uMagaba. Uhlathi yena, he doesn't want them to be coming so strong for uThumeka because Uthumeka has been dealing with a lot of things that she never got to deal with them when she was young. So lamanye manxeba akhe, what just happened might have triggered uyena. They're all going through pain, but might have triggered Uthumeka to be the way she's reacting. So he needs them to meet Uthumeka halfway, not to be like a full force coming for her like very blazing. And I think they understood that. And the meeting came and as in fingers are being pointed left, right, center. Kodwa uHlathi was like, yena, he understands inhlungu that they've been through yona. And uyamthanda uThumeka and he wants uThumeka to come back home so that they can try and work things out. Kodwa uThumeka was like, I don't want to be home. I don't want to come back. I want a divorce with that. Because this whole relationship, this whole marriage, ngangena understand, but when my son died, something in me shifted. And when you guys are busy talking here, saying whatever it is that you're saying, something did shift to food to a corner and made me see things in different perspective. So angimfundo mshado. Because kwakhona it shows ukuthi wayakwa endaweni ebolile. How is that marriage going to survive? They're always like happy, but when it comes to going to see Ulwandle, go jail or anything that has to do with Ulwandle, jail, Usikni is not interested. Not Naganwinje, he's not interested. Uzolega Bijena, her level of convincing is way out of this world. Somehow Lazarus the way angakona Jena spying it, yabona, and umakazi came naye and she was like, oh hayi girl, you powerhouse mfana njena. If le Ngqukane Industries, if the Ngqukanes can follow your lead, I'm telling you, we're going places, we're going Hollywood. And Lazarus was there listening, but in Ngqukane excellence. Sanibonani. I don't think Uma aunties realize what she just did there, saying that to Uzoleka. Like at the moment where Uzoleka was trying so hard to convince Lazarus, and Lazarus was not buying it in because he felt like Ingqukane Industries is so big and it will eat uKhusela alive. But Uzoleka says that no, we can use Ingqukane Industries to protect iKhusela, which is your baby. Do you understand? So that people would not come for iKhusela, because once someone comes for iKhusela and by destroy it to the ground, what are we going to have? We had nothing. We will have nothing because iKhusela imele nje yona wedwana. But with Ingqukane Industries, internationally, I'm talking everything, we are there. So nje wena nje. Lazarus was not giving in. Lazarus was not giving in. But my aunties are confirmed. Confirmed when she said, if we can follow you, we are going to move mountains. And I was like, okay, this is the confirmation I needed. And she doesn't stop to praise Uzoleka, Shem. She doesn't stop to praise Uzoleka. And I feel like when I somehow got ingqondo yamakwakhe. She really did, because this time around she came back as like the most responsible human being you've ever seen. Uqhawe came back as someone who seemed like has been working with tech for so long. She's taking initiative. She's taking, I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna go all in. Hi, girl. going to Cape Town without anybody knowing. Whatever it is that needed her to write what she did or to present what she did it on her own to get to qualify to be one of the people who are being called for this program. Yes, she plans everything. My flight, my everything. Like a grown-up way. Like somewhere there nje angahlala noZoleka isikhathi eside I feel like she'll be yabona, because but they are praising uZoleka for inhloko yakhe shem, enhloko which is her brain. They are praising her so much to the point that Lazarus manje I feel like he's thinking about the whole thing, and Azande knows nothing about that one, the change of plans. And changing this would be easy for Lazarus and his dad and Zoleka. But my auntie is gonna be difficult because she sees Umtanaki being the only one who deserves the Slalo Saran Industries. And if Lazarus says that I'm going to just like give up Uikusela and put it under the umbrella, he would want to take the seat like the chair. He wouldn't want Azande to be like, even if he and Angagas having a problem, but I don't think Uzoleka would say that I would want Azande to be my boss. Because I feel like Uzoleka sees that Uzanda is not a fit human being. Like sometimes you can see a leader. We are not like all born leaders. Some of us are not. And a lot of people are not born leaders. It's just that sometimes you have the privilege to be. But then if you're a born leader, you can spot one. You can spot one, but Uzoleka is not feeling it with Azande, which means maybe Azande is not a born leader. He's just like someone who can take over in Ngukane Industries because the other Ngukane guy doesn't want anything to do with that. He's into tech so much that he cannot sacrifice what he loved for so many years for e-business yasekhaya. And is very, very excited with guys. Kusinjena. I can see like ngiyambona kusinjena kuthi yazi noba generation and generation wealth yena whatever she's thinking about is not the same thing as everyone else is thinking about. And Utaka Lazarus is a very intelligent man. He's a very, very intelligent man. He would want to have this conversation with Uzoleka ngaphandle kwabo, because he asked the question, says, my God, enlighten me a little bit. Unonqeba was like, family time with guys, please. Business. I know that he would want time, chance to have a conversation with Uzoleka to hear what is it that you were talking about? What is it that you and Uzoleka told Lazarus to go and have that kind of a conversation with Babak. But knowing Babak Lazarus and knowing that parents know their kids, he would know that this one is not coming from you. Son, for so many years trying convincing you, this is not you. Give me the source. And if they can sit down and have a conversation together, Uzoleka and Lazarus dead, magic. But that magic, I feel like it's not something that Uma aunties and Azanda are ready for. And now, because Ukawana is branching into her world, trying to find her feet,